Online learning, free courses.
All right, so now that you guys know how to pick out the best-selling gigs on Fiverr and how to success hack the competition and how to differentiate your gig, now it's time to optimize your profile. So that being said, we're going to come over here, click on your username, and really you can do this as soon as you start your profile if you already know what types of things you'll be offering. If you know those types of keywords, let's say that you want to go into digital marketing like I did, but there's a bunch of different things that you can go into within digital marketing, right? Like social media, SEO, content, video, there's a million different things. So you know, or at least by this time, you should have a good idea of the services that you want to offer, so that you can have beginning a list of those keywords. And you know, these are giving you some keywords right here, right? Like SEO, social media, you know, just depending on what you want to go into. Let's say it's SEO. You can click on SEO and come over here, and you can start to see some other terms that they relate under SEO. So off-site optimization, on-site optimization, keyword research, SEO plugins. I also know that WordPress is a big keyword as well. So SEO report optimization. You can use, these are all keywords that will be highly used within Fiverr, especially these right here. Anything that you see that's under refined results in here, I recommend using those as keywords. Now, you will also, as we go in further in the next few videos, you'll see that when you go to create a gig and there's a place for tags, it kind of works like auto search does. So, you know, you'll type in SEO and you'll get to see SEO there, or SEO backlinks, or SEO services. So it'll kind of prompt you for what some of those terms will be. Now, just to give you a quick tour here into how to do this. Oh, again, this is a part that can be optimized. So you want to go in here and, you know, let's say that you're a writer. I would use writing definitely as a keyword. You at least try to fit in one keyword within your tagline here. And then I would also try to fit in a couple keywords within your description. So, you know, for me, I had SEO, I used keywords, keyword research, right? I specialize in keyword research, AdWord campaigns. So again, also Google. That's another keyword here on Fiverr. Online reputations. So I just wanted to give you a really quick idea of how you can use, I want you to use all of this real estate to your advantage, because it really does help. All these little things together create a big thing, and that's getting you on the first page of Fiverr, you know, becoming a bestseller, top seller. So all these little things will help you accomplish that. And then, of course, your skills. I don't know how much this actually plays into helping you increase your visibility on Fiverr, but I do know that it can't hurt by any means. And in fact, I definitely recommend putting in as much here as you can. Don't put like 101 things. I don't know if there is a limit. I haven't reached a limit yet, and I have quite a few here. But try to stick to the closest related services and skills as possible, because obviously, you know, if most of your gigs are digital marketing related, you probably wouldn't want to put cooking in here, right? It just doesn't make sense. So stick to whatever gigs that you're offering, stick to those types of skills that you're listing here. Outside of that, you can also list education if you'd like, or certifications. And I mean, that is pretty simple and straightforward, right? Like, there isn't too much to it. It's not like a Facebook profile where you have like 10 different things that you can fill out. There's just a few simple things here to fill out, and that's it. And like I said, if you are highly active on social media, I do recommend linking these accounts, and it'll make logging in easier for you as well. And it will also help you encourage those social shares. When people give you a great review, then they can also social share. And you don't have to have these accounts linked to social share, but it encourages it. So those are just some tips that I wanted to give you guys when filling out your profile. I recommend that you have a face, a picture of yourself. Some people don't do that, but I do see that people that have a face here, they tend to sell more and get more sales. So people buy from people, right? And that's the thing to remember, is that whatever we're doing, whether it be writing our gig description or filling out our profile, people are buying from people, and they want to know why they should buy from you. So in all of our images here, in all of our cover photos, we want to make sure that we are representing ourselves in the best way that we can, and that's what it's all about. So join me in the next video, and we'll dive even deeper into getting our gigs started.